Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Today we're going to figure out what 3 squared times 2 cubed divided by 144 equals. And these sort of problems can be solved usually without a calculator, just with a little bit of thought. We'll check this on a calculator later, just to make sure that I haven't had some sort of brain episode. So, what do we do? Well, I'd like to look at this number here, 144, and for those of you who are unfamiliar with what I'm doing, this is called a factor tree, and I simply take this number and note its factors down here, and then I do the same for these two numbers. 6 and 2 we'll put there, just some different factors, just to show that a bit of variety doesn't hurt. The factors of 4 are 2 and 2. I leave this alone because that's a prime number. What I'm aiming for is prime factors. 3 and 2. Now, 2, 2, 2, 2. That's 2 to the power of 4. And 3 times 3 is 3 to the power of 2. So that equals 144. Okay, well, look at what we have up here, look at what we have here. We can really work with this. So we have 3 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 3. Now, I should say I'm working simply from left to right here, following the order of operations in mathematics. So we start over here, head to the right, and so we've got this as our numerator. What did I have here? 3 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 4. So this is my 144 on the bottom. This is my number here. That's this. Okay, well, these cancel, and I wind up with 2 to the power of 3 on 2 to the power of 4. Now, those of you familiar with the laws of indices will note that these have the same base. So what I'm going to wind up doing is I'm going to take, I'm going to subtract this from that. Or, to put it a little more plainly, I'm going to do this. Now, these of course cancel to 1, so I wind up with 1 over 2. Now, those of you who fancied a different approach might do the following. So 3 2s are 9. Sorry, 3 times 3 is 9. Oh dear. That is the sort of mistake that I used to make in primary school. 3 3s are 9. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Now 9 eighths are 72, and we're dividing by 144. Well, 72 on 144. If you don't see it immediately that this equals a half, you can go through the process of cancelling. So 36 over 72, ... 1 over 2. So that's another way of looking at it. Now, I will check. I'll do this on a calculator, and I'll check for you. Just let me feed this in. Just take a couple of seconds. Okay, there we go. Right, there we have it. 3 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 3 divided by 144 equals 0.5. Well, there's a couple of ways of doing it. If you see something like this, I think doing something like that can be very, very useful. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.